They are 14. They are 14.
When were the arrest of the accused persons done?
Date of arrest is 12 May 2023.
12th May. What time was the arrest procured or done?
In the end, I do not, with tremendous respect, find a cause to adjourn this matter. As much as it is the defense calling for adjournment, it is similarly an accused right under Article 52E to have the trial begin and conclude without unreasonable delay. This matter was fixed for hearing 5 months ago, as I earlier stated, and fixed for 3 consecutive days with the intention to guarantee the accused persons the latter right. Consequent thereto, I direct that the trial hearing proceeds as scheduled. Those are the orders of the court.